name is Julie K. Stallcup, and this is my assistant Zeta Stallcup, and we are with you with Dance Teacher Web Live. All right, here we go. We're going to practice shuffles. Why are they so hard? And what is the first thing your student does? They pick it up in the complete wrong direction. It happens to me every day of my life. So how do you get them to pick it up in the back? Well, when you go lots of places with your kids, you find and see crazy things like flamingos at the zoo, right? What colors are flamingos? Pink. Thank goodness you told me because I had no idea. So how does a flamingo stand? Perfect. So that's an easy way of helping them do that. Now you can say, I've said kicking the football, kicking a soccer ball, a pirate ship. So I like to say multiple things and not just stick with one, because then it becomes complacent with them and then they don't remember what they're doing. So then I thought of a great way of teaching a 3-year-old how to shuffle versus a 5-year-old. Because 3-year-olds, their curriculum should be like a flap, a shuffle, a cramp roll, and I do have my 3- and 4-year-olds doing a pullback off of the heels, of course. So now let's practice swinging shuffles. So Zeta, we're going to swing. Perfect. Right? Now stop. Show me how you shuffle. Go. Nope, with your rings. So now she's picking, now she actually knows what she's doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go swing, swing, add your foot now. And you got to freeze. Okay, you ready? 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Freeze! Now, I don't like teaching them to hit the floor because I want them to get in the motion of what we're doing. Now we're going to do tick tock. How many sounds is that? Tick tock. Say it. Here we go. Now, so we're going to go shuffle, 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 tick tock. Ooh, give me some skin, sister. Or give me a ring. Perfect. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7. Swing, 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 up, shuffle. Let's try the other foot because we can't just be good at one foot. Left foot, let's go. 1 and 2 and Zeta. Here we go. Hold it. The more that you can train your dancers to hold that back leg, their balance is going to be better and their focus and their musicality is going to get better. So now Zeta, watch me do this. You ready? Watch. Right foot ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, I think that's great, but it's also good if you're looking in a mirror that you turn from the side so they can also see the visual, and then they can actually see which direction they're going and if it's the right direction. So let's try it to the side, Zeta. You ready? I can't see you, so I hope you're doing it great because I have no mirror. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, step. 1, 2, 3, step. And that's how we do shuffles.